Hey beautiful souls, welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting and trending hair tutorial for you. Knotless braids. These braids are not only cheeky but also gentle on your scalp. We will take you through a step-by-step guide to achieve this effortless style. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscriber button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our latest beauty and fashion tips. So let's get started. Hey beauty, so my best advice for today is a best tip will be to always wash your hair and condition it before any braid or sewing. Okay, it doesn't matter, always condition it and wash it. Okay, and also don't forget to always apply oil, okay, hair oil, to moisturize your hair. All right, make sure you apply it to your scalp and your hair. That will add some nourishment and protection while you wear your protective hairstyles. Okay, now we are off to sectioning our hair, which I already did. Okay, I did section this hair into two ear, from ear to ear. Okay, and just use a rubber band, okay, to keep each one of this separated so you can work with one section at a time. And again, this makes it easier to braid. Hey beautiful, so I already did some off the camera. Okay, so for this knotless braids, we're gonna use the feeding technique to create this natural look. Okay, so you want to take a section of hair and split it into three equal strands. Okay, and that is what I already did. And you want to begin by braiding or by crossing the right strand over to the middle one, and then the left strand over to the new middle strand. Okay, follow this pattern, you will not miss it. Now after you have done few of this braid, like one or two down, you want to begin adding small amount of extension hair to the section before crossing it over to the middle. But then I did not. So once I add the hair, I take out one leg of it and add and put just one leg in. So it's more like one leg in, one leg out. That if that is making any sense. So one leg in, one leg out. Start braiding with that one leg in, one, two, and then add the second leg in and braid again, then add another extension. That is the way, I keep adding the hair as I go. So just braid two times, add this extension, but not all the way. So add one leg in and take out the other leg, braid that one two again, and then add the other one. That's how you're gonna braid it three times. Add three extensions three times. Then you're gonna flip your hand, okay, and begin braiding downwards. All right, so pay attention to this now. You will add those extensions three times, then flip your hands, begin braiding downwards, then add the fourth extension. So this size of the hair that I did, this is a small, I will consider this a small knotless braids. Okay, I did three first, holding it upward, and then flipping it and start and add another one, making it 4 extensions. Okay, of course a little pieces is enough, and then add it and keep braiding. Once you add that fourth one, just keep braiding it down. And again, this is a curly style that I'm going for, curly netless boss braid. So I'm gonna braid it up to the length that I want, and then wrap it the end so that we can secure it, okay, before adding a knot to it. Wrap it first and then add a knot 2 or 3 times, again, to avoid unraveling. All right, so I want you to pay attention and follow this. You're gonna braid your hair first into at least 2 3 down. You know how some would just start adding it the first braid, but I do 1 or 2 down, even possible 3 times before adding an extension. Okay, but if you follow through this, I believe and I trust that you're gonna get this and you'll be able to do it. Okay, but I'm gonna do another video that I'm gonna show you at least different ways, more than one way you can add this, do the feeding or the knotless boss braid. Okay, more than at least 3 ways you can do the feeding. I'm gonna do another video on that, and I'm gonna slow it down. Okay, now I need your help to would you all prefer a longer video but in a slower motion, or a shorter video in a little faster motion? Which would you prefer? So that will help me and guide me to know exactly how, when I'm editing the video or when I'm making the video or filming the video, I know how, to go about it and bringing it to you. What would you like? Longer video with slow motion, or a shorter video with a little faster motion? I need your opinion. Help me out here, okay? But again, I want you to follow through this process. I promise you, you're gonna get it, okay? I know it's hard sometimes to do the feeding, but trust me, with some practice, you are going to get it. Okay, so it's a matter of begin the natural with braiding the natural hair first, up to 2 times or 3. Again, some start with just braid once and start adding extensions, whichever one you're comfortable of doing, but I normally do 2 or 3, and then I'll add an extension. But now one leg is gonna be in and one leg will be out. Braid that one leg 2 down, add the second leg, braid it again 1, add another extension, repeat the same process until I add up to the 3rd extension, then flip it. Okay, flip it downwards, like I start braiding the hair downwards, add my 4th extension, and then start braiding all the way. Okay, that is as simple as that. So I use only 4 pieces of extensions. So again, if you, yes, I've heard someone say, oh, how do I measure the size of the extension that I add? Depending on the size of the hair that you're going for, or yeah, of the braids you're going for. If you're going for small, medium, or large, okay, that will determine how much, how thick the extension will be. But this one I consider is small. Okay, now my advice or my tip would be, so you know how you normally do your regular bust braids by having 2 strands of extensions, right? And you cross one over to the other one. So I'm going to tell you now that, let's say you're doing a medium size bust braid, regular bust braid, get those 2 strands, right? Use that bigger one that you'll be crossing over, divide that one into 4, and use that as the feeding to the hair. Okay, I believe you get up to 4 pieces of extension out of that one. So that'll be my tip when it comes to the size. Okay, but again, it's just a little piece, not too tiny, not too big, not too medium size, a little small, and add as you go. And of course, they add some length to the hair as you go as well. But I hope this will help you, okay, to do this knotless boss braid. And I mean, I was amazed at the result. Okay, this is my actually first time doing the coily methods at the end. Okay, and getting this result, like I was so wow. So I hope you're gonna, this tutorial will help you this achieve this look on yourself, on your sister or your daughter as well. Okay, with this coily ends. So stay tuned and continue to enjoy the video, and I bet. So beautiful. We're going to repeat the same previous steps that we have done, okay, on this remaining section of the hair. And you want to make sure that you're taking your time, darling, and maintain a consistent size for each braid, okay, so that we can achieve a cohesive and polished look. All right. So now that we are done with all the knotless braids, okay, it is time for us to wrap this, okay, so that we can get ready to dip it in hot water. So this is, okay, we are about to be done with this stuff. Okay, so this is the next step. Just wrap it like I'm doing, okay. Then apply a mousse first, and then wrap it and hold it. Repeat the same thing here for the rest of the hair. Then we get ready for dipping it into hot water, okay, so we can achieve the colors that we're going for. All right, this is very important, so don't miss this step. Beautiful. Do not skip this step, okay. The good thing about this style is that you can wear it the way you choose. Okay, you can put it in a low ponytail, you can just leave the hair the way it is in a bunny, halfway, half down, whichever way you deem fit. Okay, this hair will rock and will look beautiful on you. Okay, so again, these are just applying moves, okay, so that we get our hair ready. All right, so please, again, every step that you see I did here, do not skip any of them, okay? And of course, to maintain your braids, make sure, okay, that you are applying uh, a light hair oil to your scalp and braids regularly, okay? Also, while asleep, use a satin or a scale scarf or use a certain pillowcase to reduce friction and prevent frizz. All right, so here we go. Oh my goodness, do you see that? The hair is looking so good and I love it. Again, you can also accessorize as you wish, okay, but this is it, and the colors are popping, everything is looking good. So I want to say thank you for having watched this tutorial, and I hope you've learned one or two things that will help you. And again, I hope you've enjoyed the rest of this video and this trending hairstyle. Please again, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, okay? We thank you again and we hope to see you in our next video. Stay tuned and have a blessed and fabulous day. We love you. And again, thank you.